Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be explaining today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Kerala Triangle on Kerala Assembly elections. The election results will be indicative of a new social compact that is taking shape in the state. The coming assembly election in Kerala could mark a realignment of the state's political landscape. The Congress, which leads the United Democratic Front, the CPI, that leads the Left Democratic Front, and the BJP, that leads the National Democratic Alliance, are the betting on an outsized impact the small southern state may have on their respective national plans. Kerala is one state where Rahul Gandhi is miles ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in popularity, and a victory of UDF could set the scene for his return as a Congress president. Mr. Gandhi has been investing considerable time in the state. The BJP, long seen as a North Indian party, has made significant inroads in the state and is hoping to emerge as the third pole through social engineering that includes wooing a section of Christians. A notable performance in Kerala can give a fillip to its southern ambitions and buttress its claim of being a national party. The incumbent Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is experimenting with daring political moves to win a second consecutive term, unusual in Kerala. His moves could be highly rewarding politically but could unsettle the implicit power sharing arrangements among Kerala's elites. Though they are playing for high stakes in Kerala, all the three parties are in turmoil within and in tussles with allies. The CPI's decision to deny ticket to several of its veterans has not taken kindly by its cadres, who have taken to the streets and social media to challenge it. The party wooed Kerala Congress from the UDF into the LDF